Okay, guys, I want to pose to you a question. If you can think of something 1 in 3 people you know has in common, what would it be?
Cigarettes.
Cigarettes.
Herpes.
Herpes.
Wait.
Weight. See, that's the one. The CDC had a 2007 study that showed that 33% of Americans are overweight or obese or becoming obese. And to me, that's just, shocking. How can we used to be a country of, fit Americans. We're starting to see secondary diseases such as diabetes, heart disease, high cholesterol appear in children as young as 8. And I feel that as a former obese person that, we need to make a positive change. And we can do that by working on ourselves. I feel like if you work on yourself, you will influence others around you. And we can do that by changing our daily activities, our daily lifestyle, and our mindset. So it should be no surprise that to all of you that American nutrition is in the pits. The cheapest foods are usually the ones that have the highest calories, the highest amount of fat, and the most amount of empty calories. I just saw like a typical meal from McDonald's: a Big Mac, fries, and a medium drink, not considering refills, was 1,000 calories according to the nutrition menu on the McDonald's website. And this is something that people eat all the time because it's cheap. And you don't have to cook it. It's just ready and you can feed lots of people. But I feel like, healthy foods and sensible nutrition is not absent. You can go to the grocery store and find lentils and cheap protein sources and good carbohydrates and good sources of fats, readily available. But I feel like the problem is the mindset that we have in America with how we glamorize, we have this dynamic, and you'll see thin people and ads on TV about exercising and being in this certain shape, but then we have advertisements for KFC 12-piece $9.99 and just all this junk, and people are just not educated on how to take care of themselves. I feel that we should, if we just spent a little bit more time educating ourselves on being health-minded, then people around us would also join in our efforts. Right now, the CDC recommends 2.5 hours of exercise per week, but better would be 60 minutes per day. And I don't think even 10% of people get at least 15 minutes of daily exercise. But I feel like, because this is what I did, I realized where I was going. When I came to college at UNC Greensboro, I had a belly, and I couldn't see past my belly. I couldn't see my toes, and I gained weight so quickly because I just ate whatever tasted good. And then, through the help of one friend, I was able to to start eating healthily and working out. And I found that I just felt better about myself, and I started to influence others around me to take up the lifestyle. And I feel that if anything, if my message to you is anything, and you start incorporating sensible nutrition, sensible activities in your daily life, then 1 out of 3 people won't be such a high number. We'll actually start seeing statistics go down because people like to do the same things everybody else is doing. So change yourself to change others, and let's help end obesity.